Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's short video I will show you how to replace the fog light bulbs on a 2009 Chrysler 300. This video applies to 300s made from 2005 all the way up to 2010. Okay, now if you want to make your life a bit easier, you can lift up the car with a jack. That way you will get more access to work underneath, but it is definitely not necessary. Okay, so to access the light bulb you will actually have to remove this plastic shield, which is held by a couple of 7mm screws. So what you will have to do, you'll have to remove this screw here, this one here, and maybe this one here, which is missing in my case, and you might have to get rid of this one. That way you'll be able to move this shield enough so you can squeeze your hand inside here and unscrew that bulb. Okay, so like I said, I removed a couple of these screws and I was able to pull that shield all the way down. And now I will try to record it inside. You'll see the light bulb right here. So all you have to do, just turn it counterclockwise, or actually no, clockwise, and you'll be able to pull it out. That's how easy it is to remove it. Okay, so to disconnect the fog light bulb, you have this small black clip on top of it. You just wanna pretty much pry it off. It's quite simple to do. Okay, and that's it. So yeah, this is the clip. So you wanna pull this up and then pull the fog light out. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.